I've never done a video of just a simple solve of my own the way I normally do it. So for my own edification, I'm going to. This is just a random scramble. I'm looking through and around the tripod and the camera, so I can't see the cube real well, but I'm going to go a little slower than normal, which is not all that fast anyway, and just solve it the way I normally do. So I do white on the bottom and the white cross. So I'll do that. That down, and then it's a little odd looking through the camera. Okay, and then I do my F2L. So we have red and green set, and we have so green and orange. And we have, okay, so blue and orange is over here. And we've got those together. And then this one is over here. So we line that up and do, so we got the first two. Then I do a double F sexy for the angle move. This is an anti-soon, so, and then I've got these two, so I need to swap these two corners. Okay, and then I have just these. And it's done.